In this training, let us learn how to analyze and understand the DBT dashboard. The objective of this dashboard is to provide a performance overview of the various DBT schemes so that action items can be identified at the click of a button. This is a common dashboard for all the schemes of NTEP. The date filter of this dashboard refers to the notification period. For a selected period and DBT scheme, this dashboard analyzes the number and amount of benefits payable versus paid and the number of beneficiaries associated. This dashboard is updated on a daily basis. Thus, at all times, the dashboard populated is updated as of yesterday. This dashboard analyzes the performance of the DBT schemes for patients diagnosed during the selected period, whose current treatment health facility is in the selected geography. To view the underlying beneficiaries and benefits, the Benefit Register and Beneficiary Register from the NEECshare Reports portal may be referred. This dashboard has 7 charts with about 24 indicators. Every chart is provided with an I or information button to define in brief the indicators of the chart. Various filters are provided for selection and viewing the dashboard. To begin with, the state, district and TU distribution, that is, public or private facility type, can be selected. Unlike the other dashboards, which can be drilled down up to the PHI level, the lowest level of hierarchy for which DBT dashboards can be generated is TU, because DBT processing starts only at the TU level. Thus, the PHI drop-down is disabled. Based on the scheme selected, indicators displayed in the dashboard would differ, and the indicators relevant for the scheme is displayed. Within the notification cohort date filter, the periodicity of analysis can also be selected. For example, we may choose to view the dashboard by month, by quarter, or by year. Based on the periodicity selected, trend charts are populated.